power of your mind, let me show you how. When you set your sights high, you can reach the clouds.
Some people are making such thorough preparation for rainy days that they aren't enjoying today's sunshine. William Feather's words resonate deeply. We often get so caught up in worrying about the future that we forget to appreciate the present moment. Life is a mixture of sunshine and storms. We can't control the weather, but we can choose how we weather the storms. It's easy to get bogged down by anxieties about what might go wrong. But focusing on potential negativity robs us of the joy available to us right now. Choosing to focus on the sunshine, the good in our lives, is a powerful act. It's a conscious decision to embrace joy. Our thoughts shape our reality. If we constantly dwell on worries and fears, our experience of life will reflect that. Conversely, focusing on gratitude, hope, and love can dramatically shift our perspective. We train our minds to see the good, to appreciate the beauty around us. This isn't about denying the existence of challenges. It's about choosing where we focus our energy. When we shift our mental lens towards the positive, we empower ourselves to navigate difficulties with greater resilience and optimism. We all know people who seem to live in a perpetual state of what if. Their minds race with worst-case scenarios, stealing the joy from the present moment. They spend so much time preparing for potential hardships that they miss out on the beauty and joy available to them right now. This constant state of anxiety is not only emotionally draining, but also prevents us from fully experiencing life. We can get so caught up in stockpiling resources for a future rainy day that we forget to enjoy the abundance we already have. Yes, it's wise to plan for the future, but not at the expense of sacrificing today's happiness. Shifting the focus. Practical tips for a sunnier disposition. Training our minds to embrace the present takes conscious effort. Start by incorporating small practices into your daily routine. Begin each day with gratitude. What are 3 things you are thankful for? Practice mindfulness. Engage all your senses in the present moment. Challenge negative thoughts. Replace them with positive affirmations. Surround yourself with supportive people who uplift and inspire you. Engage in activities that bring you joy and make you feel alive. Remember, shifting your focus is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself and celebrate small victories along the way. The power of now. Finding joy in the present moment. When we focus on the present, we tap into a wellspring of joy. We begin to notice the simple pleasures that we often overlook. The warmth of the sun on our skin, the laughter of loved ones, the beauty of nature. These moments become richer and more meaningful. Living in the now allows us to fully experience life's tapestry with all its complexities and wonders. It's about savoring each experience, appreciating the beauty in the ordinary, and finding joy in the journey, not just the destination. The present moment is all we truly have. Embracing it fully is the key to unlocking true happiness. A life well lived, embracing sunshine every day. Life is too short to spend it worrying about the future or dwelling on the past. By choosing to focus on the sunshine, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities. We cultivate a sense of gratitude, resilience, and inner peace that allows us to navigate life's challenges with grace and optimism. Remember, happiness is not a destination, but a way of traveling. Embrace the sunshine of today and watch your life blossom with joy. Let go of the need to control everything and trust that even on the cloudiest days, the sun is still shining behind the clouds. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content.
From the moment you wake up till you lay down at night, what you think in your mind gotta be just right. Manifest your desires, no matter how big or small. You'll become what you think about. Hear the wake-up call. Hear the wake-up call.